Hello again, guys. This is an article from Wales Online, written by Lewis Smith. What is important is the date. Notice when it was written, 31st of March 2023. The development of land on Porthcawl waterfront has taken a step closer after the Welsh Government confirmed it purchased parcels of land in the seafront area. The announcement came after Welsh ministers confirmed they had secured the ownership of sections of land based on 20-hectare site at the heart of the Bridgend Council's regeneration in Porthcawl. The sale includes the Coney Beach amusement park site and the adjoining section of land known locally as the Monster Park. It is now expected that the amusement park, which has been a popular feature in the town for more than 100 years, will continue to run for up to 3 years before any work starts. So 3 years, it is now 2024. I therefore make that 2026 that the fair will be closing. As part of the ambitious new plans for the area, Griffin Park will double in size and link then to Monster Park. Access to the beach will be improved and new retail, business and visitor facilities will be introduced, along with a new primary school and around 900 much needed new homes. That's just in that sector. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment down below.